things I'm very impressed here in Japan is the cars. They have all these mini cars that they're like cute, and you know, if you think about it, they're very efficient on the city because they're small, they're easier to park, they will generate a lot less traffic. But some cars, it just looks like too much. Check that out. I mean, I will probably buy that car for my daughter for playing. I try to sit inside and I have to sit like with my neck down like this. If not, I don't fit inside. It's just like so cute. It's like I could buy my daughter one of these things. Tattoo? Little? No tattoo? I walked so long here. Oh. So I cannot go? I have tattoo. I cannot go? No?
Sorry.
Jesus. So after I walked for a long time, I found the hot spring where they recommend me in the tourist information center. And after walking for like, I don't know, like 3 kilometers, 4 or 5 kilometers, I don't know, I walked for a really long time. I arrived there and they bring me this. So because I have tattoos on me, I'm not allowed to go inside. I don't know how I end up here, but I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. See over there? The ocean. Some factories behind me. And I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. But actually I can see the boat right in front of the volcano. It's my ship. And the volcano behind. So apparently what I need to do is go up the bridge, walk that way, and get in the ship. And I have to do all that within an hour, and it's a lot of walking. Soon to arrive to the ship. It looks like the sun is setting on a beautiful way right behind me. You can see the ship right behind me over there. Well, my Kagoshima day finished here. I'm gonna get back in the ship. Kagoshima is beautiful. The scenery here is fantastic. The sky is clean, you can breathe this pure air. The people is super friendly. Just like anywhere else in Japan, people is really friendly here. And really looking forward to come back again some other time with my family, with my wife and baby. If it's not Kagoshima, it will be somewhere else in Japan, but Japan is really nice.